Come back, Baba. Say she want to come.
I'll tell her to call. Okay?
We already told them now.
I'll tell her.
See, she wants to get into that house. She has gone through that coconut tree, no? Now I think she forgotten how to come back. Now she is just searching to get in.
She remembered. I came from this place.
Ah, if she is coming, then that's good. But they are not gathered. That is the problem. We told 2-3 times.
How she can go here?
No idea. Yeah, they can come. Chinto! 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 Chinto mama!
Oh my god, I'm afraid.
Chinto mama! Come! Chinto mama! Chinto! Don't do anything stupid, Chinto! Chinto! Don't do Mari anything stupid. She can't. No, she will jump. She went from that only, no?
She jumped up, boss.
Ah.
Now she doesn't know to come.
How to come back. That's correct. She will jump. She will jump. But she's clever. Chinto! 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 Chinto!
She doesn't want to come.
No, she wants to come, but that is far from her reach.
Know how to get her.
No idea. She will jump at the end. See, now she will jump. See, she's trying her best. She's thinking, is that a place is good or no? She will jump to this one, downward. See. One thing is nice. She should understand. I should not go this way. That is also his point.
She's sitting there.
She is sitting because she is afraid now. Now she came to know. What I thought is not that easy. But she will find a way. What do you think, Chintu? What do you think, Chintu? Chintu! Jump, Chintu! Jump, Chintu! Chintu! Oh, see. No, that. If she catches, she will come back. She will come running now. Then she will never go again. Chintu! Chintu, ah, ah, ah. Very good. Yes. Yes. Come on. Ale mama. Are Raja.
Baba. Boy.
Raja.
उस साइड जाना बड़ा वाले भी क्या हो
Oh, hey.
माशाल्लाह
जा घर को आ। अरे राजा